present-day thinkers unanimously affirm, while the previous ages were the ages of faith, the present age is the age of doubt. What are the reasons why this age has become the age of doubt? Is the reason, this, that humanity has been able to find something tangible, something valid, something absolute, whereby humanity has now taken to the path of faithlessness and godlessness? Or is there any other reason behind it? So far as I think, and I'll speak here first of all about the Muslim community. The Muslim community is in this state of doubt and confusion, especially the rising generations of Muslims, because our youth, our young men and young ladies have been caught in the crossfire of ultra-conservatism and ultra-modernism. Conservatism is a virtue, but when it is taken beyond limits, it becomes a vice. Because in spite of the fact that the entire universe in which we live is conservative, but it is conservative only fundamentally. It is all the time changing. And even humanity, although it remains fundamentally one, although it remains fundamentally the same throughout the ages, has to undergo changes. And the philosophy of these changes is that mankind has all the time been engaged in the pursuit of knowledge, in the quest for discovery. Mankind has always aimed at making the best of the material life here, to probe all those resources which are there, to go and fly on the wings of knowledge to ever greater heights. That has been the ambition of mankind. And this ambition, which is physical in its foundation, has taken the place of changes in the economic pattern. People have adopted one economic pattern, and after a time they have thought that that economic pattern was not beneficial for them. Then in the pursuit in the field of knowledge has led to inventions, discoveries of material things and of such material instruments which have continuously changed the very lives of human beings and of the human communities. Try to imagine that when the first human beings invented the sledge for carrying their loads from one place to another, or for carrying a sick person from one place to another, that was a big step forward. Then there was another step when human beings were able to invent the wheel and use the wheel in the cart. And this process has been going on all the time, until mankind today has been able to build rockets, and with the help of those rockets to land on the moon and stay there and come back. In the same manner, in all departments of human life, it is the destiny of mankind to continuously probe, and this probe always brings technological changes, economic changes, changes in different patterns. And as the modern sociologists say, that technological change brings about change in cultural mentality. And change in cultural mentality brings about a change in the psychological disposition of human beings. This change in the psyche brings a change in the focus towards metaphysical realities. And so on it goes on until the very beliefs of human beings are changed. Religion is changed on the basis of change in technological pattern. That has been the process.